This Ascend was absolutely beautiful. We love the wide face of the siding, the wood grain, so it looks like wood without the maintenance. It's really sturdy and stiff. The insulation quality, the durability, the longevity, the overall beauty of the product as well. When it's installed, we have peace of mind knowing that we're not going to have to worry about it.
This is how you hang the vertical. You hang a top nail all the way to the top of the slot so that it hangs on that slot. None of these nails are holding it up, but that nail. Then it can grow down. So you leave a gap here at the bottom, so when the sun hits it, it expands downward to fill this up. As long as these panels are plumb, they're in good shape. That way they line up with every window. You want this reveal to be the same. So if your window's plumb and your vertical's plumb, you have the same reveal.
We're really happy and we're really excited with how the product looks. It's even better than I even imagined it.